Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want to begin by locking the silhouette. Choose green cargos that taper slightly at the ankle so they read modern. Pair them with a neutral base layer, white tee or gray long sleeve, to let the green stay central. Once done, select shoe family: sneakers for casual, boots for rugged, slides for warm weather ease. Make sure to balance proportions. If your top is oversized, cuff the cargos once and keep volume controlled so the outfit looks intentional rather than sloppy. You now add depth by managing color and texture. Anchor the palette with two neutrals and a single accent color to avoid fighting with the green. Once your base is set, introduce a mid-layer, denim jacket or lightweight knit to create contrast and prevent monotony. Make sure to vary textures. Matte cotton cargos with a slightly textured knit or washed denim. Finish by defining your waist and focal points with a belt or crossbody. These small elements keep the look cohesive and intentional. You finish by dialing in proportions and final details. Hem or cuff cargos to reveal ankle, about 1 to 3 centimeters, or double cuff when wearing chunkier shoes so the balance reads right. If your cargos are roomy, pair a slimmer top. If the pants are slim, allow a relaxed shirt for equilibrium. Once done, check in a mirror. If the outfit looks top-heavy, swap to lower-profile shoes or add a longer layer to elongate. Make sure to test movement so nothing pulls awkwardly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.